Okay, this is a hotel room tour of room 405. This is the Wailea Beach Resort, Maui. And they have these really cool wristbands for the key. So you just do this and it opens the door. I'm not sure exactly of the name, but this is a 2-queen bedroom. I'm assuming it's probably like a resort view. But anyway, the rooms are really big and airy. So you come in, there's this gorgeous bathroom area right inside, nice light up vanity mirror. And how awesome are these leis that they gave us when we checked in? They gave us an amazing welcome juice and these beautiful leis. So that was super fun. Anyway, a big mirror that, you can have a good full length view. And then there is a toilet and this really deep soaking tub, which I cannot wait to get in because we hiked at the volcano this morning. So we're having a blast on Maui, but definitely looking forward to using that deep soaking tub. So there is your bathroom, which is right inside the door. And then there's this large closet, opens up. We've already stashed some things away. But there are bathrobes provided and a safe, an ironing board, and some hangers and whatnot. So it's a really spacious closet by hotel room standards. I'm pretty impressed with how large that is. So you move into the room. You've got the double queen beds. And this is my favorite amenity. I try to call it out every time I see it. But these QB time alarm clocks, I keep them in my short-term rentals and they are amazing. So whenever I see one in a hotel room, I get really excited because they're incredible. This large TV entertainment center area here. And again, these are just the little details that make a stay so wonderful when they've got this little charge port with USBs and plugs. I love these chairs, are beautiful. And then there's a whole coffee service in here that pulls out, and gotta love an espresso. It's always a good choice. Some drawers to store your clothes in. And of course, a mini fridge over here, and they do give you 2 complimentary bottles of water. And there's a water bottle refill station around the corner. Always love having my name on the TV. It's so fun. They do a great job with that. So nice sitting chair. And then we do have a balcony. Again, I'm not quite sure. I'm assuming this is considered like a resort view, but there's a great dining table here. And wow, check out those spa tub situation below us here. So this is the front entrance of the hotel. You just pull up right around here and it is just absolutely beautiful, this whole lobby area. It's a pretty little like garden here, and then there's an awesome couch right here, which is perfect for like sitting and chilling out. So again, a really spacious balcony, and definitely looking forward to drinking some morning coffee out there. So thanks again. This is hotel room 405 at the Wailea Beach Resort, which is a Marriott property. So if you want to cash in some points for a free night, this would be a great place to do it. Otherwise, definitely recommend staying here as well. Okay, I left this detail out, but I wanted to add it on the end of the video here. How amazing are these little wooden hooks? So they give you these gorgeous leis when you check in, and then they have these adorable hooks that are meant for hanging your leis up. So once you check in, you can just hang your leis on the wall. I love it so much.